Yes, you can mine for gold in the UK, and people are finding real gold every single year. But here's the truth. You can't just grab a pan and start digging anywhere. The UK has strict rules, and only certain locations actually produce gold. So let's break it down. Where the gold is, how to find it, and the rules you need to follow. Part 1. Where gold is found in the UK first. Scotland. The Scottish Highlands are the UK's most active gold region, especially the rivers around Helmsdale, Tyndrum, and the Lead Hills. These areas have produced gold for centuries. Second, Wales. The Dolgellau Gold Belt is legendary. This is where the famous Welsh gold comes from, the same gold used in royal wedding rings. Third, Northern England. Cumbria and the Lake District have small placer deposits, not huge, but enough for a hobby prospectors to find flakes. Fourth, Cornwall. Known for tin and copper, but certain streams still carry trace gold from ancient lodes. Part 2. How to actually find gold. Gold in the UK is usually placer gold, tiny flakes washed down from ancient veins. So you're not digging tunnels, you're panning river sediment. Here's how it works. Find a slow bend in the river. Look for a heavy black sand. Dig from behind large rocks where gold settles. Pan slowly. Let the lighter material wash away. Gold sinks to the bottom because it's heavy. If you see tiny yellow flakes that don't float, you've found gold. Part 3. The legal rules. You must follow. This part is important. You cannot pan anywhere you want. Most gold-bearing land is private. Some is owned by estates. Some is protected. And the Crown Estate does not allow gold panning on its land. So always get permission from the landowner. Check for environmental restrictions. And never disturb protected sites. Part 4. What you need to get started. The best part. You don't need expensive gear. A pan, a shovel, a classifier, waterproof boots, and patience. Gold panning is slow. But when you see that first flake at the bottom of your pan, it's worth every minute. Part 5. Final thoughts. Gold mining in the UK and about getting rich. It's about the thrill of discovery, the history beneath your feet, and the chance to find something millions of years old, hidden in a quiet river. If you want adventure, this is one of the most underrated hobbies in Britain.